Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another Boxycharm opening. This will be June's premium box and then the Luxe box, whatever it's called for this month. We have a little bit of a dilemma. The boxes are the same size. Hopefully when I open up the inside, it'll say which is which. Before we go any further, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Let's get into it. So I just am going to start with the first one that's on top. I'm gonna open it with nail clippers because don't know where my scissors are. This first box is our Boxycharm Luxe, but it's funnier because the premium is actually heavier than the Luxe. I really think they're just getting lazy. Last time I didn't even get one. Oh, okay, we got some good stuff in this box. The first thing that I am going to be unboxing is the Kylie Skin Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This retails for $28 and this eye balm stick delivers a lift from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you glow and get it. That is cute. Until my boyfriend said something to me the other day, I didn't think I needed to use eye balms or eye creams, but he told me that I have under eye circles. So apparently I'm not getting enough sleep according to him. Just from looking in this box, I am so impressed by everything in here. This next one is the Malin Plus Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. This is a fast absorbing treatment that is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I was actually about to ask what kind of oil this was, like if it was for your face or your hair. Before even opening the bottle, you can smell hair oil, to be honest, but I guess it's for your skin. And I really am not big on facial oils because I have the mindset that my skin is already so oily that I don't need to add to that. That actually is really not the case. Most of the time your skin is oily because your skin does not produce enough natural oils on its own, so it's like overcompensating. Maybe I will get it together. And listen, that oil retails for $82. Girl, that is trifling. This stuff better be like, as soon as it hits your face, you see a difference. Next, we have a little pamphlet in here, and this is for the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. I guess I'm kind of already biased about this because I watched Jeffree Star and Shane's videos, so maybe, I don't know. This is huge. So this is the foaming face wash. Retails for $24, so that's not too bad, and it is actually 5 fluid ounces, so that's actually really good. It's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamins C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. It's a gentle formula that cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. So I'm actually already using a foaming face wash right now, and I don't think that I like them very much because for me, I feel like we all kind of have this stigma in our head that things have to foam in order to work, going from gel to foam. I will definitely try this, and after I use it, I will put it in an empty and give you my thoughts. We have these $1 billion brushes. This is a charcoal brush set, and the bristles are infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect, and they claim to be vegan. I'm just gonna throw the trash everywhere. Clean it up later. But it looks like we have 5 brushes here. So this first one is a concealer brush. I don't think I actually even have a brush like this. So that'll be new to add. This looks like it's a foundation brush. I could be wrong. Oh, this is a contouring brush. Okay. It looks like just a slanted foundation brush. It's not rounded or anything, so I'm not sure how that'll actually work for contouring and bronzing or anything like that, but we'll see. This next one is a powder brush. And for me, I like really, really dense powder brushes, so maybe I can use this to like wipe off bake or something. Next is this highlighter brush, which is actually, looks like more of a blending eyeshadow brush to me than a highlighter brush. I like my highlighter brush to be just a tad bit, just a bigger version of this basically. This is an eyeshadow brush and it's just your classic flat eyeshadow brush. This is from Perlice. This is the Perfect Glow BB cream. Oh, we have a BB cream. Okay, this should be interesting. So this actually retails for $35 and it's a complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. So they actually sent me an email and they sent me like a $12 credit because they were worried that they didn't send me the right color, which is never good, but at least they like made up for it this time. Yeah, this ain't my color. This is not even, what color is this? Fair. Girl, What about me is fair? So this next one I have is a Bodyography 2-pack lip pencil. Oh, that's so funny. I literally just bought lip pencils because I really don't have any. Okay, so these retail for $28, so maybe 14 bucks a piece. And it's an antioxidant lip pencil that glides on with your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Oh, okay, so these are actually like kind of right up my alley. So we have in here rosewood, and then there is also pouty. I like the darker one, honestly, more than the lighter one. Next we have in here is this Eco Goddess Duo Self-Care Pure Essential Oils blend. So in here it comes with a women's pure essential oil blend and then a calm and distress pure essential oils blend. So these are supposed to be used as a form of aromatherapy. And it says you can diffuse throughout the day, blend with a carrier oil to use as a natural perfume, or add a few drops to your bath to unwind. So I'm gonna smell this. This is the women's blend, whatever that means. Ooh, girl, that is strong. Okay, and then this is the calm and distress. I bet this sounds like lavender. That's like orangey. Don't like that. Okay, last thing in here. You know how many Tarte palettes I have received from these Boxycharms? Like, I'm not gonna complain, but just putting that out there. This is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, and this retails for $49. 20 shades formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. Aw, okay. Well, that's cute. Ooh, I'm living for this packaging. It's like super matte on the front, and then you have like this gorgeous gold back. Ooh. This is actually mostly a matte palette, and then they have 4 shimmers on the side. I love all these palettes that are coming out with these huge mirrors. That was it for the June Boxycharm Boxy Luxe. This is definitely more impressive than the last one I got. I like the last one I got, but this one I feel like is a lot more versatile. I got a little bit of everything. Now I am going to open, this is the premium. It came a little rough. Look at this. Like, there's a dent in the middle. This card is intact, which is good, but it's also smaller. They really come through with the Glow Recipe stuff because I've been hearing so much about this brand. I kind of slept on them when they first started putting it in the box. But this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Ooh, they just have the cutest packaging. This retails for $49, and it's a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Let's see if it smells like avocado. It really smells more like a L'Oreal anti-aging cream. That's what this smells like. Okay, so next we have this Baddington. The brush set that comes with 2 brushes, a powder brush, and a contour foundation brush. Okay, so these retail for $30. Okay, but why am I like living for this right now? Look at how pretty these are. And they really don't even feel cheap. They have weight to them. I'm guessing that this is the powder brush, which this would be like perfect for wiping off a good bake. And then this foundation brush, it's a little small, but it could work. You know, I'm all about saving time, so I've really gravitated more towards big foundation brushes. Alrighty, next up we have this Too Faced Cocoa Contour Cocoa Infused Contouring and Highlighting Palette. I really don't check or look at the Too Faced website, to be honest. I kind of feel like I sleep on them, but I love the stuff that I do get from them. So this retails for $44, and it claims to lift the cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. So I'm not gonna lie, like, I absolutely love Too Faced packaging. It's so cute. It kind of has the same moment as the Tarte palette did. It's very like matte and brown in the front, but it kind of has like a little bit of a metallic in the brown, and then it's like super gold on the back. I'm wondering if this comes in like different, if they have more than one contouring palette. We're gonna open this up. Okay, so this one right here is probably just barely darker than me. This is like a nice banana color, so maybe I'll use this one. But like this pink and this orange, that's what I hate about like bronzing and contouring. It's like it should not be like straight up orange, and this is. And then this one is way too gray right here in the middle, and then this one is just too light. But I will definitely give this color and maybe this color a go around. The contours are on the bottom and then the highlight colors are on the top. I still would not use this as a highlight. This, living. Living. Okay, this is the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection, and this retails for $28, and it's just a weightless spray that holds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. I could actually use this when I go from curly to straight. We love a good heat protector. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this is in the color Low Rider, and this retails for $26. It's a little bit brighter than what I would like, but you know what, guys, I'm trying and I'm branching out, and I'm not gonna complain because this is good for me. Okay, so the last thing we have in here is huge. Look at how big this is. It looks like a palette, but this is a Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face mask. So these are anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. Okay, so if you can see in there, they're all gold. Just to do a quick comparison, in the Luxe box, I received 8 things. In the Premium box, I received 6 things. I probably am gearing more towards the Boxy Luxe, except for this. This is the only thing that disappointed, but they made up for that, so I really can't be too mad. That is it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. If there's any other videos that you guys would like to see, comment them down in the comments and let me know. Like I said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I post every 4 days. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.